If Maxim's water containers are not installed correctly, the clean water container doesn't have enough water, or the dirty water container is too full, the indicator light on the charging station turns solid yellow. And if water pools in the station's tray, the indicator light on the charging station blinks yellow, and Maxim will not be able to wash and dry his mops. Address issues related to yellow light on the station quickly to avoid potential damage to Maxim or your floors. It's a good idea to lay down rags or towels to catch any liquid that may spill during the process. Before lifting the clean or dirty water container, make sure it is shut tight. Then grab the handle and lift to remove the container. If the container's lid is open, close the lid and press down until you hear the latch click and lock in place. To open the containers, pull the latch straight up without using force. The latch is fixed and does not flip or hinge open. Fill the clean water container with clean distilled water up to the max line. Once every 3 to 6 months, open the clean water container's filter and clean it. Unhook the clean water tube starting from the top of the container. Wash the filter and tube with warm water to descale. Reinsert the filter, reattach the tube by pushing it in until fully seated, and tuck the tubing securely. Empty, and wash the dirty water container with warm water and mild soap once a week or before it gets full. When reinstalling the containers, lower them all the way down so there is no gap at the front, sides, or back. The pipes at the back of the station should insert fully into the container inlets. Once the clean water container is full, the dirty water container is emptied, and both containers are installed correctly. The LED indicator on the charging station will shine blue. To remove water and debris from the charging station's tray, remove Maxim from the station. Unplug the charging station from the outlet. Pull the tray removal tab and slide the tray out of the station. Wipe the bottom of the charging station until clean and dry. Ensure the dirty water extraction tube is free of debris and properly positioned. Make sure the tube is perpendicular to the bottom of the station and nothing is stuck inside it. Inspect the float and ensure nothing is stuck in or under it. Separate and wash all tray components with warm water, mild soap, and a sponge. Rinse thoroughly and allow everything to dry completely before reassembly. Reassemble the tray compartment. Slide the tray back into the charging station, ensuring the dirty water extraction tube is straight inside the drain. Once the tray is dry and reinstalled, the LED indicator on the charging station will shine blue. For additional help, feel free to get in touch with our support team.